we have here nine live viewers. Mega love shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, dokie. I'm looking for my handle, phone handle. Okay, it's here. Okay, we have a small plant here. It's oregano plant.
And also Daddy's
planted
small
that
garden.
oregano. Yeah, Daddy's small garden.
We have to check it in the kitchen.
What check in the kitchen?
It's right over there.
My lips is dry.
Huh?
Mega love shout out to our 14 live viewers. Hello guys. Look, my handle is not. Masyado akong malikod. Hola, hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? What should we do today? Today is cold outside. I'm gonna check.
Mom, where's my iPad?
Your iPad? I think it's inside the bedroom, baby ko. It's on the yeah, in the closet. Mega love shout out to all of you guys.
Mine was 100%. How did they do that?
Mega love shout out to our first liker for today's live. Thank you so much for giving us likes. Okay, I'm going to. Oh, I can't pin this one. Why? Thank you so much. It's very cold.
Did you go to
outside
school before?
Oh yeah, I went to school.
What about you?
Elementary, high school, and college. I went to school.
What about them?
And them, they also went to school if they're done studying. Okay, everyone, just going to sit down here kasi hindi steady yung aking camera. So I'm gonna put it here and make it steady.
Or look like friends. Or
Look like friends. Okay. It's Thursday
Tomorrow's Friday.
morning here. It's 9:29. Time check. It's 9:29 a.m. in Ottawa. So I'm going to check the temperature that we have this morning. It's -8 and feels like -14. That's our weather for today. And it's cloudy. The humidity is 71%, precip 10%, and the wind 11 km/h. And warming expected over the next 3 days. Oh, we're going to have the sun again in the next 3 days. Yes.
On
yeah, on Monday and Tuesday, we're gonna see the sun. Oh no. From today, tomorrow and Saturday, it's gonna be cloudy. And on Sunday, it's going to rain here in Ottawa.
Oh yeah, because when the clouds are making rain for a while, and then the next day they're raining.
Yeah, so my question is, what is the coldest month in Ottawa?
It was the snowstorm.
Snowstorm month, baby month. We have January to December. So the coldest month in Ottawa is January. Yes, and it's during the winter season. You're correct. During the winter season, but the coldest month is January. And it lasts for 4 months, the winter season.